everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this series we are going to make an e-commerce website from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript first, and then converting it to a React website and deploy it. And so first we will design the things in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then we will learn React.js, which is basically a framework for JavaScript, or more specifically Node.js, which I will tell you later. But this is the continuation of my course, which is currently dead, and I have not uploaded any video since 2-3 months. So I thought of making this tutorial series. So first what we will do is that make a new folder. I will name it as a something like e-commerce website tutorial. So this is the folder, and now what I will do, first of all, download the Visual Studio Code. So we can go to code.visualstudio.com and just click download here. But I have just downloaded it, so what I will do is just click on it, and as you can see it is open. So what I will do, click next, and make sure to check all of these to follow me along in this series. So what I will do, check all of these and click next and click install. So till it's installing, I request you to join my server if you have any doubts or queries. The whole source code I will link in the description. If I forget, make sure to tell me in comments so that I can do it. So yeah, when it is downloaded, what I will do, just click finish, and I don't want to open it now. So what I will do, open this folder and click open in terminal or open in CMD or something like it. Like something, you can type CMD here. It will open CMD here, and command prompt, which is basically, and you have to type now code dot. If this doesn't work for you, try reinstalling Visual Studio Code, and then also if it doesn't work for you, just restart your PC, and if then also it doesn't work, then let me know, I will help you. So what we will do in today's video, we will make a navbar for our website. So first of all, as we are working with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, what you have to do, just search for live server here. Go to extensions tab here. Please wait. Yeah, here, go to extensions tab here and search for live server. And as you can see it here it is, and just click install here, and it will install in 2 minutes or 1 minute or something like that. And now what we will do, let's understand the folder structure. The main file which is in folder will be reflected in this folder will be index.html. Index.html is the root file in these things. So what I will do, click index.html, means make the file index.html from here. And now what I will do is just click shift +1 and then press enter. As you can see here, we now have this boilerplate of HTML. This is basically because of Emmet. If you are using Visual Studio Code like me, you will be able to do this, or just search for Emmet if it search for other IDs. So what I will do, toggle my word wrap so you can see it here, and close this Explorer window off. So what I will do is just create a comment from here, and now I will write here navbar. We will make the file complete. So what we will do, first of all, right click here and click open with live server. Just allow it access if it wants, as you can see it here. And now if we will see, we can see here this, it means our server has started. Now what we will do, we will type something like e-commerce website, e-commerce website tutorial series, tutorial series. So now what we will do is make a component called nav. So I will write nav here, and you can see it's nothing but just a discriminator for navbar. So what I will do first, copilot, let's ignore this, and what I will do, make a .dev, .dev means it will add a class to this, which is a selector. Here I will type something like nav, brand logo, and here I will write something like hello brand name. So here it is, and as you can see, it's just a basic brand name. Which what I will do here, I will type a, and href is equal to slash, then brand name, slash index.html and brand name. So what we will see here is this thing. And now what we will do here is makes another div dot something like ul dot nav dash links, and it means it will make a unordered list of nav links. And now what we will do, make a list item, means li dot nav link. It will add a class of nav link here. So not this, we will just write home here, a hashtag home. It means it will redirect nowhere. So let's do same thing here, hashtag, and just duplicate this. And what I will do, like it's something like cart. Our main thing will be React, main backend, everything. We will see this in React.js, but for now just see how it looks like. And as you can see, it is something very nonsense. So what we will do is just close the make a new file, name it as style.css. And first of all, what we will do is just link it to our HTML. So what we will write link CSS, and it will automatically complete the code. Link style sheet style.css. So let's go to style.css, and first of all, let us import font family Poppins. Here it is. It is my favorite font family for now, and I used it in my website also. So I will select the regular style and click import one, and then just copy this URL. Control C and Control V. So as you can see, just let me toggle word wrap. And what I will do now, just go 2 lines below and just copy this CSS rule code and just make a star element here and something like pasting this. Star means everything we have in the body and something like that. If you want more details, I think I told everything in my old series of HTML, so you can get back to there. I won't be covering that much of that series that I have already told. So what we will do now is just let's see what we name nav. First of all, nav we will give id is equals to nav. So something like we will go here and we will say hashtag nav. Hashtag nav means grab id, find something of id of nav. Hashtag means id, so what we will do here, type display flex. Flexbox is a very important thing of CSS, so let's first see about this. So display flex. So what Flexbox will do, so I think this website will help me also to teach you. So what we will do, see, the Flexbox is a layout. It means Flexbox helps in making responsive layout, and it makes it easier to design flexible website and many things more. So this is the main things in Flexbox, that it helps us to add responsiveness to our website. It means that our site will look good on phone also, good on laptop also, good on any kind of device also. So here we will write justify content space between. As you can see, it suggested me, and as you can see, it looks pretty better. And now line item center, let's try see. Everything is just in center, and now I will grab my nav links dot nav links nav links display flex justify content space between, and as you can see, it looks better. Here I will write list style to none, so that we won't see these bullets, and as you can see them here, it is somewhat merged. So what we will do, justify content, yeah. So we will first of all target our nav link now, nav dash link, and let's say something here like what should yeah, I remember. First of all, we will give some margin of something like 0,1 rem, so that it makes some different distance from its item, from its partner. Margin just means, if I just inspect and tell you, as you can see it here, see, This orange space which we can see here is the margin. Below that border comes, then padding. We don't have padding and border for now and just have margin. So as you can see, from margin it occupied more invisible space from this. So this is just margin, and another nav link like cart also got same thing. So now what we will do, first of all, okay, I wrote this wrong. Brand dash low, brand logo. So we will target this class now. Dot brand dash logo. So what I will do here is just say something like this. Remove color, text decoration none. Text decoration, what we will do is we will remove the underline, as you can see it here. As you can see it here, it's looking nice. And if we see what I was meant with responsive layout, I meant this. See, we have such a responsive layout for now. I know there is nothing, but still we don't have to do much work for this, and as you can see, it is visible clearly in every device. So this was my meaning. So what I will do here, I think I forgot text decoration one. I think I should apply it here. Oops. Text decoration none. Yeah, as you can see them here. So now I will give some color to my navbar. So what I will do, give color something like black, and I think I should refresh. Okay, no color, but why? Let's see why the color didn't came. Let's try seeing what's the problem. So what we will do is just see this navbar. Okay, I got it. Why didn't the color? We don't want to give the color. We want to give background color. Something called background color. It will give the color to the background. Yeah. And what we will do here in star now, we will do margin 0 and padding 0. As you can see now, it is stuck to the top. Now what we will do is just let's see nav link. We will give color FFF, it means white. Wait, let's see why it didn't come. Okay, nav link, we have to give color to nav link A. Okay, so what we will do is just make a new style of something like dot nav link slash A, and color. So we can remove this text decoration thing here from here, and this color from here. So now let's see. As you can see them here, we have good looking things, and now we will do same thing in brand name. So brand logo, we will do color, oops, not columns, color FFF. Let's see what we have there. Only A. So what we will do again, dot brand logo A. dot brand logo A. What I will do, color same thing here, just copy paste and now as you can see them, I think they are looking good, at least for me. So what I will do, let's now make some transitions. I mean something like transition, it means it will make things smoother. Transition all, like I like 1 second, so I will make it 1 second. Now what I will do, dot navlink a over. So let's try this color out and see. I think one is slow, so let's try 0.5 seconds. As you can see them now. See if you can't. This is everything is just smooth, and let's make something like here also, and dot brand logo a over, and let's try other color, something like this or just something like this. As you can see, it's looking good to me. So what I will do is just transition here, add transition here, just copy this line, Control C and Control V, and now I guess it's looking good, at least for me. So what I suggest you is just to play around with some of these things, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in next video soon. Thank you.